If you're only using AI to write emails or knock out a to-do list, you're missing the biggest shift happening in AI right now. And it's called agents. Here's the difference in one sentence. A chatbot answers a question. An agent finishes a job. A regular AI chatbot waits for you to type, then types back. An AI agent actually takes action on your behalf. It browses websites, fills out forms, pulls data from multiple tabs, compares options, and hands you the result. You give it a goal, not a prompt. Then you walk away. 3 steps to try one this week. 1. Pick one annoying multi-step task, something that eats 30 minutes of clicking. Researching a vendor, comparing prices across 5 sites, pulling data out of a bunch of tabs, that kind of thing. 2. Open Claude or ChatGPT in agent mode. Both have it built in now. It's a setting, not a separate app. 3. Write the goal, not the steps. Don't tell it how. Tell it what done looks like. Something like, find me 3 med spa software vendors under $300 a month, compare their pricing pages, and put it all in a table. Then let it work. The first time you watch an AI navigate websites for you, click through pages, and bring back exactly what you asked for, it changes how you think about your entire week. For a deeper dive into this, head over and subscribe to The Practical AI on Substack, and subscribe to this channel